Because this is my first video with you guys and you have no idea who I am, you'd most likely not know that my favorite animal is the North American grizzly bear, aka Ursus arctos horribilis. Now I've always wondered why bears weren't always found all over the world, mainly in Africa, but when I thought about it, I just kind of chalked it up to them being outcompeted by the big cats in the area. But then I did a little research and found that Africa actually did have a native species called the Atlas bear or Ursus arctos crowthieri. Besides the group that contains all other brown bears, crowthieri is believed to have close relations to the polar bear and the Alaskan brown bear that we see today. Despite the geographical location of the Atlas bear, it seems to bear no resemblance to the populations of brown bear that are found in the Middle East. The Atlas bear, being Africa's only native bear species that survived into modern times, had once inhabited the Atlas Mountains and the surrounding areas of Morocco and Libya. The species' current status is thought to be extinct. With that being said, the appearance of the Atlas bear wasn't all that different from today's brown bears, with its coat being brownish black in color, but with it lacking the white muzzle that brown bears usually have, and with little reddish orange parts on the underbelly. The fur length was thought to be 4 to 5 inches. The muzzle and claws were thought to be short as well. This also matches the lifestyle that it was thought to have, with the common consensus being that it was mostly herbivorous. Now, while that is the common theory, since most bears are omnivores today, the Atlas bear is believed to have been able to eat meat as well, and if that was the case, then it would have fed on small mammals such as carrion while it was scavenging. In contrast to its small muzzle and small claws, which are shorter than the American black bear, it was thought to have a stout and thick body and to have been 2.7 meters and weighed up to 1,000 pounds. Like many of the other extinct species on Earth, humans of course had a part to play in the Atlas bear's demise. As the Roman Empire expanded into North Africa, the Romans intensely hunted and captured the Atlas bear along with the other local animals and used them as sport in their games in the Colosseum. This of course went on for centuries, during which time thousands of bears were used in the arenas to fight against the gladiators and other creatures. Mistreatment of the animals increased their ferocity in battle, which made for an amazing show for the Romans, but most likely made the life of the bear a living hell. Shortly after the invention of firearms, the Atlas bear became extinct, and as the rarity increased, as the population decreased, zoo collectors would have been pressured to go out and collect these animals, and it's thought that it was very hard to impossible for them to even reproduce in captivity, thus ending the Atlas bear's existence. The Atlas bear finally became extinct in the late 19th century, as the last recorded one was gunned down in the Tetouan Mountains in northern Morocco. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please consider hitting the like button because it really does help out the channel a lot. And if you want more content similar to this, hit that subscribe button because more is sure to come. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.